Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the card weapon in Meme C. This highly sought-after item is a fantastic addition to any player's arsenal, offering unique combat advantages. It features abilities such as the Stop card, which can immobilize opponents, and the Reverse card, which reflects incoming damage. To obtain this powerful weapon, you will need to engage in challenging raid events within the game. Let's go over the steps to secure this valuable card for your collection. Before you can even attempt to get the card weapon, there are a few important prerequisites. First, your character must be at least level 1000 to participate in the necessary raid. Once you meet this level requirement, you'll need to navigate to Mr. Beast Island, which is where the raid event takes place. It's highly recommended to have a powerful character build, and consider joining forces with other players to increase your chances of success against the formidable foes you'll encounter. Once you're on Mr. Beast Island and ready, initiate the raid. Your objective is to fight through multiple waves of enemies. You must successfully clear all the way up to Wave 10. At this final wave, you will face the formidable Reverse Master Boss. This boss is known for its tricky damage reflection ability, so be strategic in your attacks to avoid harming yourself. Defeating this boss is crucial for a chance at the card weapon. After successfully defeating the Reverse Master Boss, there's a 10% chance for the card weapon to drop as a reward. Due to this relatively low drop rate, you might need to complete the raid multiple times before finally acquiring it. The card weapon boasts a base damage of 78, making it a solid choice for combat. Its unique abilities, like reflecting damage and immobilizing enemies, make it an incredibly valuable and fun item to wield in Meme C.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.